हमारा प्रोजेक्ट LJ78 जो अभी लेटेस्ट लैंड क्रूज़र भी हमने स्टार्ट किया हुआ था, उसकी डिस्मेंटलिंग इज़ नाउ इनटू सीरियस गेम। ये बॉल में से निकला केस, जो कि एक्चुअली ग्रीस होनी चाहिए। हाथ अंदर बॉल के अंदर से हाथ घुमा, ग्रीस जो थोड़ी बहुत ही बची दिखा, टेक्निकली ग्रीस होनी चाहिए, लेकिन फिल्ड विद द वाटर। ये वो टिपिकल रीजंस हैं जिसकी वजह से फेलियर्स आते हैं हब्स के, सील्स के।
Don't act like you're feeling wavy. Way too early to be hazy. Start a 10 job cause you're fucking crazy. Yeah, you back in the game and you don't feel ashamed. Always want me at your parties, like me next to a Bacardi. Cause you know I'm spinning faster than a Harley. Yeah, you're still in the game but you don't feel ashamed. You just close your eyes when you wish to be free. You look up to the sky and call on me. Let me put color in your sky, take away the gray. Turn the roof to a floor on a Saturday. Up it all in the night, you do what I say. I'm just a getaway, I'm just your getaway. I'll make you warm if it's chilly and I probably make you say things you wouldn't do normally. I'm like a 9 to 5 job, but you work for me. I'm your getaway, cause you can get away. I got no perception. What is real, what's your projection? I make you dizzy and your head got no protection. You're lost in the game, can't remember your name. Calling on the horn.